Cataracts and aging. What to know? Do you know what cataracts are? They are a common vision problem that a lot of people experience as they get older. Basically, it happens because of changes in the proteins in your eye's lens that occur as a natural part of aging. Over time, these proteins can clump together, making cloudy areas in the lens that interfere with your vision. As we age, our body's ability to repair and maintain tissues decreases, and that includes the tissues in our eyes. This can make the lens more vulnerable to damage from things like free radicals, which can cause the proteins in the lens to become damaged and clump together. And there are other things that can increase your risk of developing cataracts, too, like exposure to ultraviolet light, smoking, and other environmental factors. But the good news is that there are steps you can take to reduce your risk of developing cataracts. Eating a healthy diet, protecting your eyes from UV light, and avoiding smoking can all help to keep your eyes healthy and reduce the risk of cataracts.